And welcome back. Well, earlier in the show, we heard from this week's Common Ground volunteer on the differences between field corn and sweet corn and how those products are used. And now she's back with a recipe. Here is Paula Peterson with more on how to make a corn salsa. Well, we are learning now about a recipe that incorporates corn, and Paula Peterson is back now with the latest on that. Paula, how's it going?
It's going well. This time of year, I like to try to use as much fresh vegetables and fruits as I can find. And so this is a recipe that actually has lots of different choices in it, and it holds in the refrigerator really good. It's one of those that if you make it an hour ahead of time and let everything kind of all meld together, it's really, really good. I'm going to start out. You don't need to cook the corn in this one. You just cut it off of the cob. And it's fun if you can use white corn and yellow corn so you get some extra colors in it. I just happen to have just white corn. You use quite a bit of onion, a whole cup of onion, chopped onion. I use the red onion. That's more for flavor for my taste. It's not as sharp as some. You could use a sweet onion if you wanted, but I like the fun colors. I do like to put avocado in this one. It adds that extra protein. If you're not an avocado person, you could use black beans instead. You add some fresh cilantro. Next thing you add is the jalapenos. Now these are jalapenos that I actually froze from my garden last year. I'm not a super, super hot person, so I'm going on a little lighter on this. And then you add about a quarter cup of lime juice. That helps keep it, kind of start cooking it, and it'll help keep the avocado green as well. And then you add a tablespoon of white vinegar, and that's going to help kind of ferment it along as you go. It uses a little bit of chili powder, and that's another one. If you like it hotter, add more. If you like it less, uses a little bit of cumin and then a little bit of ground salt, and then you just mix it all up. Mix it in a serving bowl, and if I don't dump this on the floor, we have your sweet corn salsa with your corn chips.
Yeah, and I love how fresh, all of the ingredients are, Paula. That's really good. Thank you very much for sharing that with us today.